All right, our next unit is all about applications of trigonometry. So we're going to start here outside. I got my buddy Owen here with me. He's got in his hand a little tool that measures the angle of inclination, and we're going to use it to try to find the height of this big old oak tree in the front of my yard. So we'll go get set up. The only other tool that you need is tape measure. Make a couple angle measurements and we'll figure it out. Okay, Owen's all set. We got a tape measure set up, 25 feet long. He's gonna make a measurement from there, pointing way up at the tree, and he's gonna make another one up here. So we'll go get started. All right, hang on a sec. Make sure you're looking straight up. Oh, you got it backwards. Try it again. Go ahead. Go ahead. No, go ahead. Straight up. All right. Looks like 46 degrees. Go ahead up closer. All right. That one was 46 degrees. Let's do one more. Go ahead, let's try it again. You good? All right, try to keep this one steady. This one looks more like 50 degrees. All right, we'll take it back to the classroom and try to figure it out. So this is a diagram that represents the measurements that we just took. The height of the tree over here I've denoted as Y. And then the first measurement that Owen took was this angle of 46 degrees right here. This, by the way, is called an angle of elevation. When you're looking out at the horizontal and tilt your head upward to look at some object, that's called an angle of elevation. And then what he did next was he walked 25 feet closer to the tree and made this second measurement of 50 degrees. So that's another angle of elevation. And at that point, he was some unknown distance away from the tree. And this is enough information then to put it together and find the height of the tree. What we'll use here to figure it out is the tan function. So we can write two equations. We can write that tan of 46 degrees is equal to y over 25 plus x. And then a second equation that we can write is that tan of 50 degrees is equal to y over x. Okay, and then when we're solving this equation, this system of equations, we would start by isolating y in our second equation to say that y is equal to x times tan of 50 degrees and substituting that into our first equation. So that our first equation would look like tan of 46 degrees is equal to x tan 50 divided by 25 plus x. And solving this is not too difficult. Just multiply both sides of the equation by 25 plus x. And then distributing tan of 46, which is really close to 1. And you end up, after a little bit of manipulating, you get 25 times the tan of 46 degrees is equal to x multiplied by tan of 50 minus tan of 46. And when you solve for x, you get that x equals 165 feet. And of course, x is equal to not the height of the tree, but how far away we are from the tree. So if you take 165 and multiply it by the tan of 50, you'll get the height of the tree y, which is nearly 200 feet tall, 197 feet.